guys, I'm so excited because our family is going to Bubble Planet.
Oh my gosh.
Balloons. 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 Pink. Pink. No. No, yeah. Pink balloons.
To the next one?
Let's go to the next one, okay? What is this?
Soccer ball.
What is this? Don't touch it. A big bubble. Hello? Hello?
Steps, so it's kind of tricky. Here, Victor. Come with Dada. Oh no!
Hey man, I'll just put the bag in the thing. It's only a diaper.
Okay. You okay? You okay? He wants to go up. He's too scared of it. Yeah, it's too deep.
Got a little fall though. You'll just put your feet in, eh?
Dada will carry you. Well, go. Let's go. Go on Dada's back.
Yeah. Oh, a beach ball.
Wanna kick off?
Here, Dad'll carry you. Dada carries you. Don't worry, Dada's carrying you.
Hi, we're in the the ball pit. It's insane. Here's Victor, he's too scared, but he's having fun throwing in the balls one at a time. You got the ball? You got a ball? Balls, there's so many balls everywhere! There you go, little baby.
Hello, Mama. Hello. Where are we?
Wanna go over here?
broken. You're finding all the broken ones.
Bye, Bubble Planet. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Hi, so we just finished the Bubble Planet experience. What does everyone think?
Very fun, worth it.
Yeah, I know Victor had a blast. It was busy, but it's what I expected. So it was definitely like mostly children or mostly families, which makes the most sense to me. So in all the ads and stuff, it was all like adults taking pictures with like ball pits and like just stuff like that. Like I thought it was weird. It looked marketed to adults, like for Instagram. But when we get here, it was definitely like all children, like a lot of them Victor's age or like little toddlers or little kids running around, which makes more sense to me because it's like, to me, an activity designed for kids. But the bear is super tired. What do you remember, Victor? What do you remember from Bubble Planet?
Balls.
Yeah? What else?
Balls.
Just so many balls. Did you have fun?
Have fun.
Good. What do you want to do now?
Eat it.
Okay. Say bye.